Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of hairstyles. You can see in front of you different style, different ideas, different length hairstyles. You can see long hairs for short hairs, so for round faces, long faces. You can see cute designs, ideas for cute ladies, girls. So dear friends, you can do it, you can made it at home yourself for your parties, casual dresses and casual designs. You can see, you can carry at home and you can attend with this your parties, birthday party or marriage parties. So please try this collection, enjoy this video, and you can see these attractive and beautiful styles. So dear friends, subscribe my channel. When you subscribe, you will get all the notification of my videos. So dear friends, please watch this video till the end. Like my video and share my video with your friends, relatives, then they also enjoy this video with you like you. So dear friends, visit my channel and watch my videos and subscribe my channel. So dear friends, now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection, and please remember me in your prayers. Then goodbye.